B.S. Patil here once again. Today we would like to discuss deferred annuity Jeevan Shanti as a best option in current market conditions. Recently I happened to have one appointment with one of the retired person who had got almost 1 crore as his retirement funds, and this man didn't have any liquidity cash flow problem, and this 1 crore was available as additional lump sum money to be invested. So we happened to discuss almost all the options available in the market. One by one we discussed with him, and then we shortlisted ki why 20 years deferred annuity Jeevan Shanti is the best option. So here first I would like to tell ki what was the advantage he was getting. Almost 15% he was going to get accumulated return over a period of next 20 years, and all these returns were happening at tax free level, because from the day one at age 62 till 80, whatever the money was accumulated, there is no tax compliances. So whole money would have been created to corpus and tax free. Second point we discussed was when the stage of accumulation, whatever the money is accumulating at 15% per annum, this money would be tax free in the hands of in event of the death, and till at age of 80 whatever the money is accumulated, it would be tax free. And annuity when starts at age of 80, that annuity will be taxable, which will be around 15%, and this is a actually exact cash flow. Now we will discuss about various angles. First we discuss about what is the impact of the interest rate in the growing future years. See what will happen in the next 20-30 years in the Indian market conditions, considering the current trends. See what we checked. We checked up what is happening 20 years back, what is happening now, and what will happen next 20 years. What we checked, 20 years back Indian economy is very poor, and rate of return on investment was very sizable, 15 to almost 18%, and the economy was not fully developed, it was underdeveloping. So now today we checked out what is the interest rate available as of today. The State Bank of India is offering a bank returns of 5.6%, which they reduced twice in last 1 month. And what could happen to the next 20 years down the line? Next 20 years down the line, we are expecting Indian economy fully grown and developed. And what we check today, if there are countries around the world which are fully developed economy, like Japan, maybe Switzerland, maybe America, Europe, various countries we studied, then almost all the countries, either there is a negative rate of interest or almost negligible at zero. So over a period of the growth, when the economy gets fully developed, the inflation rates automatically goes down, and effectively the interest rates almost come to zero or negative. So now looking into the next 20 years down the line in India, we are expecting what is happening now in the developed country, the same things will happen around the world. So in this current scenario, what we see, whatever the assured return we are going to get in deferred annuity Shanti, tax free for the next 20 years, is very attractive returns, safe and secure. Most importantly, today if I keep a money in a bank deposit, maximum only up to 5 lakhs, that too only recently budget as amendment, otherwise it was only 1 lakh. Today up to 5 lakh it is assured by Government of India. While in case of Shanti, the total money, corpus, everything, returns and capital protection offered by the government under sovereign guarantee is totally fully secured for any amount. Maybe 5 crore, 10 crore, any amount is there. It is while bank FDs are not having that facility. The maximum is 5x. Coming to the next area, the concept of insurance. Say in case anything happens, if the customer dies in first 5 years, almost on 1 crore, 75 lakh would have been added. If the death is occurring up to 10th year, the money received will be almost 2.5 crores. So over a period of 20 years, the money will go on accumulating, and in case of a death, 1 day before the starting of pension, all the money will be tax-free received by the beneficiary. As there is no cash flow is required for the current customer, so this option works out to be very attractive, because we are getting inbuilt insurance at almost free of cost. Now looking to the overall situation in the market, particularly other asset class like mutual funds and equities, where we are seeing that there is a lot of volatility. The man who has retired and now he is not looking to take any type of risk, so Jeevan Shanti works out to be very attractive at the current returns conditions. Thank you.